Today we're breaking down Amsoil's passenger car oils, what they do, why they matter, and which one's best for you. Stick around to the end and I'll tell you how you can save money by buying Amsoil through the Preferred Customer Program. It's a win-win. You get best pricing with the best oil out there. Be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to keep up on all of our antics. For more information, visit www.oiltwins.com. Engines today run hotter and tighter and harder than ever. Turbochargers, direct injection, start-stop systems, all brutal on your oil. Today is about Amsoil motor oils built for your daily drivers and your weekend toys. Whether it's your work truck, your daily commuter, or your family SUV, we'll cover every series, signature, extended life, OE, and synthetic blends. We'll help you find the right oil that's right for you. The Signature Series, Amsoil's top-tier motor oil, designed for up to 25,000 miles or 1 year, gives you 75% more wear protection, 100% LSPI protection, and are built for turbo and high-performance engines. If you drive hard or tow heavy, or you want the best value and the best peace of mind Amsoil has to offer, the Signature Series is for you. Extended Life Oil, engineered for 20,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. 37% more cleaning power for smoother, longer running engines. Perfect for commuters who want less oil changes and more driving. Now on to the Amsoil OE bottles. OE, API licensed, 47% more wear protection, 100% LSPI defense, and full warranty compliance. OE meets the manufacturer specs. It is dealer friendly and Amsoil tough. Synthetic blend, API and ILSAC licensed, reduces oil consumption and protects against stop and go wear. The synthetic blend is the first step in the Amsoil family. Better protection and better value than a conventional oil. Which Amsoil series are you using and why? Let us know in the comment section. People have asked me, Casey, are Amsoil products Dextos approved? Are they licensed with API? Let me help clear that up for you. Dextos and API set minimum standards. Amsoil builds beyond them for true performance and maximum protection. Amsoil backs every product with a limited warranty and top-tier quality control. Using Amsoil does not void your vehicle warranty. Warranty concerns? Zero. Amsoil stands behind every claim they make and helps customers navigate warranty concerns. Independent tests show how Amsoil outperforms the competition, whether it has to do with wear, breakdown, or value. It's Amsoil for the win. Amsoil builds for performance and protection, not for permission slips. That's why Amsoil formulates for protection first, not price. What kind of myths about Amsoil have you heard? Let me know in the comment section. This is just an overview of Amsoil's passenger car gasoline oils. I will cover each series in upcoming videos and explain them in depth. We will dive deeper into each series and show you real-world performance. The next video in the series is going to be the Amsoil OE product. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash the notification bell and tell us what you're running in your ride. Check the description to become a preferred customer and save up to 25% on your next Amsoil order. Oil Twins, built, tested, and proven.